All right, Joshua back. It's Monday, January, March the 2nd today. And what I've done, I'm continuing on the test from yesterday. But as you can see, I have the titanium pipe inserted at the 5-inch mark, and I'll just show you that. No sense pulling the drill pipe out and having to redo it and put it back. So for the front portions of the test, I've decided to do this way. Okay. So as you can see, I've inserted the titanium pipe with 5 inches in. So we want to do a 5, 6, 7, an 8, 9, 10, an 11, 12, and 13. And when we get to the 13 mark, between 13 and 16, I want to move the swirl device in at ½ an inch instead of 1 inch. And I believe what we're going to see is that around the 13 mark, that's the center point for the Ultra 3 flame level. That was found using the 15-inch mild steel pipe set at 15 inches and also 14.5. So that might be the full rendition of this Ultra 3 level. And maybe the Ultra 2 is going to be on both the left-hand side of the pipe and the right-hand side of the pipe. So we're trying to isolate something here. It's almost like a musical note. We're isolating the resonant frequency of the pipe. Okay, so we're going to start it up here and try to get it running smoothly and see what happens when you run air to move it ahead to the 6-inch and then the 7-inch positions. Air's on low. Lighting up here. That's full propane. Have to warm up the pipe for a minute here. Very smooth transition. I'm surprised at that. Normally, if the swirl device wasn't in, the flame would be burning back here. I think this is worthy of a shot. I'm just going to cut this back. Okay, our overburn has disappeared. We have a weak level 4 going on. So if you have the air, we're turning up, air's on low, turning up the propane. Trying to establish resonant contact here. Okay. I'll move this closer. That's where it wants to resonate. Just going to give you a peek on the inside here. Back 2 feet here. Moving in. It's a good level 4. And we don't know yet whether the stainless steel washers and the stainless steel wire is acting as some kind of catalyst. It's a good burn. So we'll put it back here. And now we'll turn it up. Turn the air up. establish the best resonant response by tuning the air in the propane. And as you can see, the front of the pipe is heating up quite well. Nighttime will be nice and visible. Okay, that's the best setting for the air in the propane. The minimal setting. Now let's crank it up a bit. Turn you up the propane. Turn you up the air first. See how it feels it? Let's get our after flame going. Trying to establish a pattern here for doing this. Turning down just a tad. We've got resonance. Now let's turn up to here. Try to pull the afterburn in here. So this would more or less be a pre-ultra level 2. It's not quite up to 2. I guess you could say it'd be an ultra level 1 going into 2, then going into a 3. And it's producing quite a high intense heat. It's actually resonating the front part of the pipe. Let's crank it up, Bill. Pull it back. Very quick response. Level 2 into 3. It's on full tilt. Just a mass amount of hot air being generated here. You see the yellow point going up. So the propane's turned down a tad, but the air's on full. I'm back 3 feet and still getting burnt here. Okay, everything's going yellow point inside. So we're going to shut it off here. Come back on the 6.